Hi, I'm Karen from 24-Hour Bookkeeper. Why should you care about credit card fees? Nobody cares for credit card fees in their business. It's expensive, and it's just the cost that you can't seem to get over. I want to take a little bit of time and talk to you about why you might want to start taking credit card fees if you don't already. Credit card fees suck. You might be someone who chooses not to take credit cards because you don't want to pay the outrageous amount of fees that come with taking merchant cards. I'm going to ask you to change your mindset and look at it from a different point of view. Consider it a cost of doing business. There's a lot of great reasons why you should start taking credit cards, one of them being you get paid faster. No more waiting to get paid and calling on overdue payments. Again, I know you're going to lose a little bit, but if you start taking credit cards, it's likely you won't have to worry about paying some of your bills. It's also providing a fairly convenient way for your customers to pay you. If I were to give it to you from your customer's point of view, most credit cards offer points or rewards, and if they have the opportunity to pay via credit card, they're going to take it. It's possible that you yourself are actually paying bills with your credit card for that exact same reason. It doesn't have to be expensive. You can take those credit card fees and pass them on to your customer. Not sure if that's going to create the best relationship, but it's an option. Another thing you can do is you can incorporate the cost of fees into your estimate. You can figure it into your bid with a 5% fee and let your customer know that if they pay cash, you'd reduce the amount due at the end of the project. That way, you don't have to go through the uncomfortable request to add a change for taking credit card payment. I know it's a big hit taking a 3 or 4% fee on $30,000 or $40,000. I'm with you. I wouldn't want to do that either. So maybe it's an opportunity to come up with a creative way to be able to accept credit card payments so you can get paid faster. I know we're talking about credit cards today, but I want to also mention to you, a lot of the time, your merchant card processor gives you an additional option to take ACH payments. The difference between an ACH payment and a credit card payment is that an ACH payment comes right out of their bank account and has likely a smaller fee. ACH fees can be fixed to the tune of a couple dollars. A credit card fee will be a percentage against the amount of the payment, which again, 3% of $40,000 is a pretty penny. If you don't already take credit cards, there's different options on which merchant provider to use, but I'll cover using QuickBooks payments. You can sign up easily by going into your QuickBooks Online account, click on the gear icon and go to Account and Settings. You'll see there's an option for QuickBooks payments. Click on that, and there you'll be able to start filling out your information by following the prompts. What's great about using payment services with QuickBooks is that when you send an invoice by email, your customers can pay that invoice automatically from their email, and QuickBooks completes most of the financial work for you by depositing the payments automatically in your register. Another option is to consider project management software that has payment processing. A lot of the times, if you choose a software app that processes merchant payments, your customers will likely be able to make those payments directly against the billing request in their customer portal. This creates a lot of convenience and provides more job-specific information with your payment request. Lastly, you can look into your local bank as they might be able to get you in touch with a merchant provider. Though I'm not a big fan, this option might be easier to manage, but keep on the lookout for long-term agreements for both the processing and the machine. If our goal is to automate a lot of the process and we really don't like collecting or calling on overdue receivables, maybe taking credit cards might not sound so bad. Try to automate your customer payments as much as you can by considering this option. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, make sure to click subscribe. You can also find more info on financial management by going to our website at 24hourbookkeeper.com, which can be found in the comments. See ya!